Welcome to this presentation on customer satisfaction in AI enabled banking, the roles of preferred banking mode and digital literacy. This research was conducted by Syed Salman et al. And published in 6th February 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The banking industry is undergoing a rapid digital transformation due to the integration of artificial intelligence open parenthesis AI close parenthesis technologies such as chatbots, robo advisors, intelligent ATMs, and mobile banking applications. These tools enhance personalization, efficiency, and convenience, thereby altering customer experiences. The study employed a quantitative cross sectional survey design. The research targeted banking customers in Bangalore, India, utilizing AI based banking services. A sample size of 385 respondents was determined using Cochrane's formula for an infinite population with a 95 confidence level and a 5 margin of error, and a convenience sampling technique was applied to recruit participants. The study surveyed 390 banking customers in Bangalore, revealing a demographic profile with a predominance of females 69, a younger age group 55.1 below 25 years, and a highly educated population 55.1 graduates, 42.8 postgraduates. Regarding preferred banking modes, 56.9 favored digital banking, 29.0 preferred hybrid, and 14.1 opted for traditional. Digital literacy levels indicated that 70.0 had moderate literacy, 25.1 had low literacy, and only 4.9 possessed high digital literacy. The findings of this study align with and extend existing literature on customer satisfaction in AI enabled banking. The significant main effects of preferred banking mode and digital literacy on satisfaction are consistent with previous research highlighting the importance of service channels and technological proficiency in shaping customer experiences. This study conclusively demonstrates that both preferred banking mode, open parenthesis PBM, close parenthesis, and digital literacy open parenthesis DL close parenthesis significantly influence customer satisfaction with AI powered banking services. More importantly, a significant interaction effect was identified, indicating that satisfaction levels are highest among digitally literate individuals using digital banks, followed by hybrid banks, and lowest for those preferring traditional banking or lacking digital literacy.